Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use one-handed mode on your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. Unfortunately, this mode is not a pre-installed feature on your device since this smartphone uses Android 11 and one-handed mode is an Android 12 feature, but we can check all the available features, all the available gestures in the Moto app. If we go to this menu and select gestures, and here, as you can see, we have quick capture, fast flashlight, the flip for the ND, lift to unlock, basically all kinds of stuff for our convenience. However, if you want to use one-handed mode, instead open the Google Play Store, then search for quick cursor application, install it, and right now I'm gonna show you how to use it. So once you open the app, accept, let's go next, then once you see enable accessibility, tap on it, tap on quick cursor, and then switch this toggle to the right, tap allow, then got it. And now in order to change, in order to use this feature, you have to basically enable this feature, and then to start using your quick cursor, we're gonna have to go to settings and adjust the edges. For some reason I don't see where the edges are located, though it's the main thing in this application. Oh, okay, let's just press how to use, and here we'll be able to change the trigger size. So the trigger size, as you can see here, we have two edges that we can adjust to our needs, so make them up as big as you wish, just for you to not trigger them accidentally when you're using your phone, so that you can start using one-handed mode anytime you like, and not anytime you accidentally trigger these edges. Yeah, basically once you press this edge, you'll enable this cursor on your screen, which will help you access all the elements at the top, and this way you can use one-handed mode on your device. So basically, yeah, we can now adjust everything for this app in the settings, but we can start using it right away. All you have to do is just touch this edge that triggers one-handed mode, and then start using this quick cursor on your screen, and we have it from active from both edges, so you can use your device normally. Unless you want to reach something at the top, then you just trigger cursor and use it to trigger anything you like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.